don't skip this video because this is not a regular unboxing video. If you're a dad to be or a husband to be, you should definitely know what this particular machine does because every mom is gonna know it anyway. This wearable pump is from Pump to Cradle and I've been using it for a week. It is amazing. I'll talk about the performance later, but for now, what it has, I'm gonna explain it. It has a measuring sizing chart. You can actually measure the nipple size very exactly because you don't have to buy a Pro Circle or anything from outside. It has all types of flanges, all sizes, and the charging cable. And they also give a brush which you don't have to purchase outside, but at least whenever you're traveling you can carry this small one. It also has different types of variations of mode: stimulation mode, expression mode, and also a mixed one. Either you can increase the suction level or decrease, but I would always suggest you to go with a moderate one because that will not hurt your nipples. Sometimes what happens is, at least so far what I have been hearing from my consultations, people actually think that this particular pump doesn't give much yield output. No, you're wrong. If you don't fix that pump properly, you might go wrong anywhere. We shouldn't be blaming the pump, or we should be blaming our low milk supply. No, not at all. Just get this fixing thing right, and then you will be sorted. And ensure that you also use the right flange for yourself, and you see the magic. And I feel there's an added advantage in this particular pump because the collection cup is itself has a lid to it, so you don't have to carry a separate storage, a bottle or a bag if in case you're traveling. I will be posting few of the reviews later. Do check it for the next part. If in case you have any doubts related to pumping, DM me. Bye bye.